Hi everybody, welcome to Old Guy's Garage. Hey everybody, welcome back. Good to see you. Been a pretty crazy summer, so I've got a couple of videos in the works. I know one's replacing the headliner in the 72 here. It looks really good. I'm not sure what you're able to see. Well, actually, wifey did about 90% of the work, 80% of the work. We're really pleased with it. What I wanted to bring up today was Jeffco Power Tour's back, October 1st, 2023. So it's a great all-day event, rolling car show. Everybody bring their cars from the area. So you end up at a nice at an eighth mile drag strip at the end. So have a lot of fun. So basically the schedule, 7:45 a.m. We're going to meet all up at Gravois Bluffs in Fenton, Missouri. You can get your stickers there and other stuff, other memorabilia. Then 9 a.m. we're leaving Gravois Bluffs, and we're heading over to the Arnold Crossroads Center, right off of Highway 141. I think there's a McDonald's there at the entrance. Then at 10:30 a.m. we're leaving Arnold. We're heading over to Rutherford and Herculaneum. Then from there, 12 p.m. we're heading to Jefferson Square in DeSoto, Missouri. Then from Jefferson Square in DeSoto at 1:30 p.m. we're leaving DeSoto to head to the bottom. All right, so there's the interior, and I know years ago there was a mouse that got up in there, so we're going to doesn't really bother me a whole lot, but you can kind of see for some reason there's like a hole in every corner. Who knows? But anyhow, this is going to be our project today, and probably part of tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. So all right, so got the headliner removed. Well, we got force and if you need tools or anything, just let me know. Can I be a helper? You got her.
Oh no, it's kind of a one-person job, Victor.
Okay.
We need 2 people in here. Glue.
All right, so getting the headliner put back in here. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do, do, do. Just a little tap here and a little tap there.
What the fuck?
And here's how it turned out. Turned out really, really good. Really, really nice. So, off to the next project. I got to get some new pipes on this thing. So, looking at different exhaust systems, exhaust pipes from the headers on back. But yeah, this turned out really good. This was a really long day. Probably should have been done in 2 days. Would have been a little less stressful than trying to get this done all in one day and have a very late dinner. So anyhow, yeah, we love it. Next project's most likely gonna be new pipes, and then next interior project is gonna be working on this seat here, getting this all dialed in nice and pretty.